Well, how much does a concrete pump operator earn per in Saudi Arabia? For example, you have basic salary of 2,000 riyal. Per cubic meter is the percentage of your daily earnings. Example is 1 cubic meter will earn you half a riyal. So, if you per slab of 100 cubic meters, you will have 50 riyals a day. In a month, if you pour 1,000 cubic meters, you will earn 500 riyals plus 2,000 basic salary, which equals to 2,500 riyals as your monthly salary. Okay? Well, it's not the same every day. Sometimes there are heavy downpours. Sometimes there's none. What's important as a concrete life is to finish your work before you clap out. Because your work is a concrete. Not triumphs. Argent Dorian is here. Past Mr. Pump will braid subject.